Yes, friends, Panchayati Raj institutions are the most important institutions. Panchayati Raj institutions are the most important institutions for our country, and they are source of, true ownership can happen, true development of the country can happen only if Panchayati Raj institutions are strengthened. So, in order to bring about a transformation in our country, amendment in constitutions was brought, 73rd amendment in constitution, and it provided for, it gave detailed definition of village, gram sabha, panchayat. So all these details are given here. This is 73rd amendment of constitution that you can see yourself. It talks about constitution of panchayat. There shall be constituted in every state panchayat at the village, intermediate and district level in accordance with the provisions of this part. So composition of panchayat. Subject to the provisions of this part, the legislature of a state may by law making provisions with respect to composition of panchayat. So this was introduced in 73rd amendment of 1992 and came into force from 24th April 1993. But even today, we find that panchayats do not have true ownership, true powers. They need to have a greater power. They need to have greater authority. Okay, then the Amendment Act specifies the chairperson of panchayat and other members of panchayat, whether or not chosen by direct election, and the chairperson of the panchayat at the village level shall be elected in such manner as the legislature or state may by law provide. Means how the sarpanch will be elected, how sarpanch will perform. So these will be, then it also specifies reservation of seats, section article 243D. Reservation of seats may be reserved for scheduled castes, scheduled tribes, and women also. Just might be mentioned here somewhere. Not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats reserved under the class shall be reserved for women belonging to scheduled castes, scheduled tribes. Not less than 1/3 of the total number of seats to be filled by direct elections in every panchayat shall be reserved for women. Right. So this is an important piece of amendment. That is, women participation has been ensured, women reservation has been ensured, and this has helped in transformation of status of women in villages. So this is very important piece of legislature in a way in bringing about greater participation of women. Okay, the duration of panchayat is naturally 5 years. Now disqualification. A person shall be disqualified for being chosen as member of panchayat if he is disqualified under any law for the time being in force, means any criminal act or any such thing, or provided no person shall be disqualified on the ground that he is less than 25 years of age if he has attained age of 21 years, and if he is so disqualified, any other law made by the legislature of the state. If any question arises whether a member of panchayat has become subject to any of the disqualification mentioned in clause 1, the question shall be referred for the decision of such authority as the legislature of a state may by law provide. Powers, authority and responsibility of panchayats. So it gives detailed powers of the panchayats. Panchayats at appropriate level subject to such condition as may be specified. Powers to impose taxes by and funds of the panchayats. Legislature state may by law authorize a panchayat to levy, collect and appropriate such taxes, duties, tolls, fees in accordance with the procedure and subject to such limits. Provide for making such grant in aid to the panchayats. Provide for constitution of such funds. Constitution of Finance Commission to review financial position. So this is also provided. So these are the main provisions. Remember, this is very important piece of information for all of you, because panchayats means true democracy. Panchayats means true democracy. unless we implement true democracy, it cannot happen. True democracy can come only through panchayats, and participation of women at village level is very crucial. So panchayats and related laws are very important in bringing true democracy to grassroots level.